The Powerpuff Girls. Love this show.
Homicide. Backwoods, so it's all good. And to see it make it taste good. Shawty classy with a freaky side. Real woman keep us up. Down bad I can call her. Ooh yeah. Sex so good might get a Birkin. She deserve it.
Hey Queens, it's your girl Queen Cierra and I'm back at it again with another freaking video. So in today's video we are barefaced and we are going to do a makeup tutorial. I haven't done one in so long because I just wasn't feeling the makeup. But now we got a new makeup collection out. Like I'm so late to the train, but I saw this and I'm like, I have to do a makeup look. Like I just have to. I already was gonna like purchase the item, but I'm like, you know what? Why not make a makeup tutorial? Do a killer makeup look. You haven't done one in so long. Why don't you just do it? So today we're gonna do a makeup look with the new Colourpop and Powerpuff Girl. Wow, upside down. I love that for me. The new Colourpop and Powerpuff Girl collaboration. Oh my gosh! When I saw this, I was so late, but it's okay. Better late than never, right? I saw this, I was like, oh my god, girl, I need that. I need that. So I was just gonna keep it in my drawer as like a collector's item. But I'm like, let's do a makeup look and then we'll keep it for a collector's item, and or we'll like display it up really nicely. So yeah, and I was looking on Colourpop website. They have a collection with Lizzie McGuire, Barbie, and then when I went to Ulta the other day, I think it's Revlon. Has a collection with Bratz, a makeup collaboration with Bratz. So if you want the Bratz or Barbie or Lizzie McGuire, I was never a Lizzie McGuire fan. That's just me. That should be, but that was just me. But if you want one of them collaborations, you want me to do a makeup look with that, let me know in the comments below. But today we're going to focus on the Powerpuff Girls. Oh my gosh, me and my sister love this show when we was growing up. Oh my god. Blossom and Buttercup was always my favorite. I like Bubbles too. She was cute. But you know, I want to be Blossom more because you know she was the leader and she was the pink one. So she was my little favorite. But I love all the girls. So I was thinking this might be a 3-part series if you want it to be. And I'll do a pink look, a blue look, and a green look. But let me know in the comments below. And then I'll do one of each of the girls. So let me know in the comments below if you want that. But today, I don't know what type of makeup look we're going to go. We're just going to see what the vibes are today. And yeah, so I didn't get everything from this collection. They have, you know, the palette, the 2 blushes, lip gloss, a lip mask, hairpins, and eye shimmers or eye crayon shimmers. Everything, I'll put pictures of the items I'm talking about, and everything will be listed in the link description box below. And let me pull up the price of this palette. It's not that expensive. It's Colourpop. Did I tell you this collaboration was with Colourpop? If I didn't, this collaboration is with Colourpop and Powerpuff Girls. It's a 12-pan eyeshadow palette for $22. And you can get in, I got this on the Colourpop website, not on Ulta.com. Ulta doesn't have the Colourpop collaboration because I think it's new. So they don't have it, but they do have the, I think, don't quote me, the Barbie and the Lizzie McGuire one, Ulta. And the blush set is $20. But yeah, so let's get on into this makeup look. But before we get into this makeup look, don't forget to like the video. It helps me out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down there and hit the notification button so you're notified every time your girl uploads another banger. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Queen Cierra _slay. Don't forget to follow my business page at Queen Cierra Boutique. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok at Queen Cierra _slay. And don't forget to follow my business page at Queen Cierra Boutique. And don't forget to go shop QueenCierraBoutique.com. And right now I'm still currently having my 10% off summer sale. So don't forget to go shop to look like a queen on a budget. Alright, so now let's get on into this video. I'm going to prime my eyes. If I'm looking down, I have a mirror right there in front of me. You find that flip screen. So yeah, I'm taking this Born This Way. It's like a little sample size concealer and butterscotch. And we're gonna use this to prime our eyes. The sticker on, but look at this palette. Ooh, okay, yeah, there we go. Look at that palette, baby girl. Look at that. So, if I forget to name, you thought I like that lighting change? What the heck was that? I'm going to, if I forget to say a color, it'll just be on the screen. All right, probably one of them things. All right, Prime Fighter.
This a banger.
I don't know if it's just me. Okay, side note. I don't know if it's just me, but like these colors are not really buildable. And it's becoming very patchy real fast. So like when I swipe, it disappears. So I have to do a lot of petting. Colourpop, what is going on right now? I am packing and packing and packing. And do y'all see that? Look at that. I'm trying to pack on the color. And every time I pack it on, the green disappears. It disappears. I'm trying to blend it out and the green is like literally disappearing. Disappearing. Like, look at this. Like, what is this? What is this? Alright, I'm gonna try to fix this and then I'll come back. really had to pull out my handy dandy Jaclyn Hill and Anastasia collaboration palette. Love this palette. I need to get a new one because this one is just like as a collector's item. But baby girl, I really had to like take this makeup off, put some concealer down, and bring out this palette because this green wasn't blending. I tried to put blue on top. I can't. I literally can't. So it looks so much better. We had at least a crease color down, and we just winged it out a little bit. And you know, we can pick one of these colors. I'm really sad. This palette is not working. It's really not. It's not giving what it's supposed to give, and it's really making me sad. So yeah, this will just be staying on my vanity, looking cute. I'm gonna go in with the Mayor. Off with the lips. I put on my lashes in, don't even remember, Botations. You get them from Queen Cierra Boutique, and they are 10%. So go shop. And I just put a highlighter on from the I Heart Revolution Peach Glow. You know I love this stuff. And finish off with the lip, and I'm gonna tell you, and when I'm finishing off with the lip, I'm gonna tell you what I think about the collection. You will probably guess my thoughts, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. And I'm using the Wet n Wild. This is actually an eyeliner, right? But I don't like it as an eyeliner. It's brown, and I just use it as a lip liner. So yeah, y'all, it's so hot in here, but I'm sweating out for you queens. I find a consensus of the Colourpop collection is I don't like it. I don't like it. As a collector item, I'm gonna keep it. Like, I'll get it as a collector item if you grew up with the Powerpuffs and you love the Powerpuff girls. But as like a everyday palette, heck to the no-no. I didn't like my lips right, but heck to the no-no. So if you don't want it as a collective item, I would not recommend getting it. I do not like Colourpop eyeshadow. I do not like this palette at all. This is my first Colourpop eyeshadow. I did have the Hello Kitty collection like a while ago. They had like a Hello Kitty collection, and it was perfect. There wasn't pressed powders. There was like these eyeshadow palettes and stuff, and I loved it. I didn't have no problems. Maybe because I was just starting off at makeup. In makeup, I didn't know what were good shadows and what was bad shadows. I don't know. But from my recollection, it was a good palette. But this sucks. I'm just blending in the pencil with the lipstick. You know, I tried and true lipstick, the Maybelline Pick Me Up in 45. Yeah. So I forgot what I was gonna say. Yeah, this is popping. This lip is popping. I ran out of my lip gloss from Queen Cierra Boutique. My new lip gloss. Well, my personal stash, my personal lip glosses. I ran out of those for myself. but you can still order yours. So I have to make me some more. I have to make a lip gloss for myself. So I don't have a lip gloss for myself. So I'm just going to use my ombre lip gloss, and I'm gonna apply it. I got a couple questions about my ombre lip gloss. Once you use the clear portion, the purple portion will come out. So, excuse me. It's like getting a 2-in-1 lip gloss, you know what I mean? Don't forget to go shop Queen Cierra Boutique to look like a queen on a budget. I'm having a 10% off sale. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Queen Cierra _slay. Don't forget to follow my business page at Queen Cierra Boutique. Both handles are for Instagram and TikTok. Don't forget to go shop Queen Cierra Boutique and sign up for my newsletter. And don't forget to go shop my 10% off sale. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.